Happy June! It's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to show you how to make this month's Teen Take and Make Kit, which is a cute little watermelon flower pot. Okay, so in your bag you have a paintbrush, an adorable little mini pot, and 3 different colors of paint. We have black for the watermelon seeds, green for the watermelon rind, and pink for the watermelon fruit. And the other things you'll need are a plate or some kind of surface that will protect your table or whatever you're working on from the paint, and then a cup of water to clean off your paintbrush. So this is pretty self-explanatory. You're just going to paint your little flower pot to look like a watermelon. And I will say that this project might need to take a little patience, because I think you will need to add quite a few layers to get it exactly the color that you want. So I probably won't show all that in this video, because this, like I said, this project is pretty self-explanatory. So you're just going to paint the bottom part of the flower pot pink for the watermelon fruit. And of course, if you decide you would rather do a different kind of design on your flower pot, it's not a watermelon, this is your project, so you can make whatever you want. Of course, you only have 3 colors of paint, so you're limited there unless you have paint at home. But just be creative if you like. So you'll paint all of that pink, and then you'll paint around the top. It's going to be the watermelon rind, so you're going to paint that part green. And then of course you'll want to paint kind of half of it and let it dry so that you can turn it over, paint the other half, or you might kind of have to go in thirds. And then when you're finished and everything's completely dry is when you're going to come back and add the black paint to be the watermelon seeds on top of the pink. So I think these are going to be really cute. Feel free to share your photos with us or tag us on social media if you post a picture or your parents post a picture. And make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video to get information on our teen programs this summer. We hope to see you at Columbus Library every other Thursday. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.